But you at least want to cut off that last thread where when they're weaving the fabric and they're wrapping that thread around where it's wrapped, that little bend, you want to cut that. Or at least snip the end every once in a while, just to relax that thread. Because when you wash fabric, the selvage is woven tighter. And you've got those turned edges of the thread. It's tighter there. And so when you wash it, it shrinks up more on the selvage edges. Or it is so tightly woven and it is so flat and dense that when you wash it, that does not shrink much, but the rest of it shrinks up. But anyway, one way or the other, they shrink differently. That selvage edge, after a while, scrunches up. And so if you've used fabric that still contains that entire selvage edge, it doesn't wash up and stay as nice and pretty and happy.